In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw arcs with polylines. Drawing arcs is an essential skill for anyone looking to master CAD software, as it allows you to create curved lines seamlessly within a single entity. This can help streamline your design process, ensuring your drawings are both efficient and precise. To get started, open your Autocad workspace where you want to create your drawing. Once you're ready, the first thing you'll need to do is use the command line. Command lines are a fundamental part of the Autocad interface, offering a fast and effective way to input functions directly. In this case, type P-line into the command line. This command stands for Polyline, a versatile tool that allows you to combine line and arc segments into one continuous object. After typing P-line, press Enter. This initiates the Polyline function, setting you up to begin creating your arc. Next, you need to tell Autocad that you want to draw an arc within your polyline. After starting the Polyline command, you'll see some options appear on the command line at the bottom of your screen. You can either click the Arc button directly or keep your interaction streamlined by typing the letter A and pressing Enter. This tells the software that your next polyline segment should be an arc instead of a straight line, which is the default setting. With that set, you're now ready to draw your arc. As you move your cursor in the drawing space, you can adjust the curvature of the arc based on the direction and distance you move your mouse. Clicking with the mouse finalizes the arc's radius and direction. You can continue this process to add more arc segments or switch back to straight lines by following similar commands as needed. Remember, polylines are fantastic tools in Autocad because they allow you to create complex shapes that remain as single entities. This makes them easier to manipulate and edit later, reducing the potential for errors and saving you valuable time in the design phase. Using the arc feature within polylines enhances your ability to produce more organic and flowing designs without losing the precision that CAD software offers. So, there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to draw arcs with polylines in Autocad. This method will help you refine your design skills and bring a higher standard of accuracy and professionalism to your projects. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.